Let's sketch the graph of y equals 3 times the sine of 2x minus 90 degrees plus 1. First, we find our period. We take the standard 360 degrees and divide it by our b value of 2, which gives us 180 degrees. To find our step size, we divide that period of 180 degrees by 4, giving us steps of 45 degrees. Our amplitude is the absolute value of our value 3, which remains 3. For the maximum, we take our vertical shift on the end 1 and add our amplitude of 3, reaching a maximum height of 4. For the minimum, we take that same 1 and subtract 3, dropping our graph to a low of -2. This means our baseline is y equals 1. I want to emphasize this. When sketching, think of this baseline as your new temporary x-axis. It is the center of gravity for your entire graph. Finally, to find our starting offset, we take the inside of the parenthesis, 2x minus 90 degrees, set it equal to 0, and solve. This tells us our starting point is at x equals 45 degrees. Let's draw our baseline at y equals 1. Because this is a positive sine graph, we place our first point at the offset of 45 degrees, right on the baseline. Taking one step of 45 degrees to the right, our next point goes up to the maximum. Another step to the right brings us back to the baseline. And our final step to the right takes us down to the minimum. Now, let's return to our starting offset at 45 degrees on the baseline and work backward to the left. Stepping left to 0 degrees, the wave pattern dictates we go down to the minimum. Stepping left again, we return to the baseline. At -90 degrees, we go up to the maximum. Another step left brings us back to the baseline. And our final step to the left drops us down to the minimum. With all our points placed perfectly in the baseline, maximum, minimum pattern, we connect them with a solid curve.